In this video we're going to show you how to remove the window regulator and motor from a Mk2 Tiguan. Tools you'll need for the job: a T30 Torx, a T25 Torx, a 10mm socket, a 10mm spanner, some trim removal tools and a flat screwdriver. We're going to remove this cover on the handle to get access to the bolts. Just on the inside of it there's a small slot. You can just get your trim tool in, just push it in, just widen that gap out. As it starts to pop away, just work around using your trim tool. That'll expose the bolt that you need to undo. There's two T30s, there's one there and there's one in that hole there. Undo both of those. The last fixing to remove is on the underside. There's a little gap there. You can just see that fixing there. So all you need to do, you don't need to remove it, you just need to get your spanner on and just turn it 90 degrees. And you'll see now the fixing will just line up with the gap in the panel, so when you pull the panel off you can see there it'll slide past it. Now using a wider trim tool, get in a gap in the bottom corner, just work your way around popping the clips off. Now it's ready to remove, it should just be swinging along the top edge. Now to remove the door card, starting at one end, just pop it up off the door and that'll come away. And there's a couple of things to undo before you can remove it. The first one is the door handle cable here, so just pull this little lever back and that'll allow you to just swing that out the way. It's just hooked in again at the front there, that'll come off. And the wiring, there's two plugs here on the door module. First one, just push the little tab in, swing the arm over. As you swing the arm over, the plug will just come out. And then this other one here, the little tab pushes in, but before you can push it in, you just got to pop the little red bit out the way, then push that in. And that's the door car removed. So now we want to remove this panel here so we can get access to the window glass. Just pop that in, push the grommet through, so it's loose, and the wiring's just hooked in around there. And using a trim tool, I want to take this panel out. It's just sort of hooked in around the edge on the bead. Once you get it started and get one part over, just work your way around. It gets a bit easier as it comes out. Just feed that through. So now we can remove the glass. You need to put the window to about that high, you can see there roughly, just so that when you remove the grommet here where the wires go through, that just lines up there, the little peg in the back of the glass. And same with there with that one. So all you have to do with this, there's no tools for this one, just put your hand on the back and just pull the window bracket where it's slid into apart, just so the little notch inside gets clear of the glass. Just push it up out of it, just do it a just a touch, just to get it out of it, and then do the front one. And once they're out, glass will just slide up. So it's free of the regulator. Now you can just pull the back out, and then the front, and that's the glass out of the way. So first we need to remove the motor, which is on this side of the door. There's 3 T25 bolts holding this in place. There's also the wiring. Push the little red tab back out the way, and then that'll let you push the blue one down, and that'll come out. And with the motor, just pull it away straight and just gently away. Now that's free. So before we undo the bolts for the regulator, just a couple of things to free off. That little cable guide there, so that's loose inside the door. And where the motor mounts are as well, also those little pegs need just pushing down. There's 2 on each one, and just push those through one at a time. So that's loose. Now I can undo the 10mm bolts. There's one there and one there, and then the top 2 are hidden behind those. So just using your screwdriver, you can reuse these if you're careful, if you just pick away at the edge. Just to create a little flap where you can get your fingers on, and just pull it back out the way. There you go. And do the same with the one here. Now the 4 bolts are undone, just push the regulator through there and there. It should be loose, you just have to sort of find the best angle to get it out. Just drop it into the door and pull it up gradually. And that's the regulator removed.